Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can translate really any website in Google Chrome. So a helpful thing to get started here is make sure that you're using Google Chrome web browser. And if you don't have that set as your default browser, you can go through the settings menu on your device and set it up so that it is your default so you can use this hack whenever you need to. If your students are using Chromebooks, then they already have Chrome as their default browser. So this is pretty easy for them to get up and running as an option. So what we're going to do is when we're on any type of website, and I have this as an example website on my tutorial slide deck, but it's also a great example for here because there's even additional tips for supporting ELLs. But if I need to have this translated into another language, what I can do is right click anywhere on this website, and then there's going to be a little space here that says translate to. So I already have my default language set to English, but maybe you'll see a different option there, or maybe your students will, depending on some of their language preference settings on their device. So I'll click Translate to English. And then this menu comes up. And then on this little window that appears, there's a 3-dot button, and that's going to give me options of what other languages I can have this website translated into. So if I click the 3-dot button, I'm going to select Choose Another Language. And then I'm going to select this drop-down menu, and I can have this translated into another language that I would like. All right. Whenever I've selected my language, I'm going to click Translate. All right, and there we go. It translates this website minus some of the pictures and other content that the person who created the website has not changed. But it translates all of this for me, and it works as I go down the page to translate that. As you can see, it's kind of scrolling through and updating it as I scroll. So that is a really quick way, an easy way to translate your website. And again, it only works on specific elements. Like it won't work on pictures like you saw here, but it does a pretty good job. If I ever wanted to translate it back or switch to a different language, I'll just right click again on my device and then I'll click Translate to. I can go back and again select whatever language that I need to and translate it there. And the same thing goes over again. So that is a really helpful option that you can show your students as well as their parents and their families so they can have whatever language they need available on any website in a couple of clicks.